Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I must start off by saying thank you to all my new subscribers. If you watch this video, if you could give me a like and please give me comments, because my videos don't get many comments. It'd be nice to hear what you have to say. Today we're taking a look at this Rapido Trains UK, the Titfield Thunderbolt Buffet car. And I got this from Handrails Models, and I think it was about £68. The good thing with Handrails is if your order's over £20, you get free postage. And that's the code there, 922003. I think these are all sold out everywhere now, so you'll be hard pushed to find it. That's out of its cellophane bag, and there's not much details on the box itself. Just a plain background there. Just the model numbers on the back. So open the box and see what you get inside. It comes in the old ice cube packaging inside the box here. It was a really snug fit inside the box, so that's good, because with transport it shouldn't get bashed around too much. You also get this owner's manual for the tram car. Shows you all the bits that you can fit. You get a little goodies bag with optional parts that you can fit. And the roof does come off so you can fit passengers, it says. It's quite light as a coach. Could do with some weight being added to it. There's a lot of detail here, but it is plastic, so it could be easily broken. So you have to be careful. It's quite fragile. The roof does come off. Has got name pockets there, and what I'll probably do is I may fit the Hornby magnetic couplings to this. It depends what other vehicles or wagons I've got to connect it to, because unless they can have the magnetic couplings also, it won't be worth fitting them. The roof is very difficult to try and get off. I've tried easing it up, but it just won't move at the moment. I don't fancy snapping any of these posts, because like I say, they're only made of plastic and they're very fragile. There's probably other videos out there probably with the roofs off, showing you what it's like inside. But I wish Rapido had made the roofs like they have with the toed brake. It's held in by a couple of little magnets to make it easy to lift off. You get this piece here, and it's quite loose as well. I say the coach is very fragile. So I'm sorry the roof won't be coming off, but I'm not going to risk breaking this model when I've just opened it. Let's say I wish Rapido had made the roof held on with little magnets. Make it a lot easier. Yeah, this little piece that runs across the top, it could do with being glued down. But you don't want to spoil your roof with glue marks. I know people that's had the brown coaches like this, similar ones, tram cars, they have mentioned these parts in their videos being loose. What you'd have to do probably is get a little bit of PVA on the end of a cocktail stick and probably put just underneath there so it holds it down. It's just impossible to hold down without any glue. I say, sorry I'm not taking the roof off. See, there's other videos out there showing what's inside, and I think on Rapido's website itself it shows you the inside. Well, with everything being plastic, it really is fragile. Okay, thank you for watching, and I appreciate you watching, and everyone take care and happy modelling.